In this video, I'll guide you through how to attach files in Gmail using Chrome. Whether you're sending a resume, photos, or an important document, knowing how to add an attachment correctly will help you communicate more effectively and avoid common mistakes like forgetting to include the file. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome as your browser. Open Chrome and go to the Gmail website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can see your inbox. It's a good idea to wait a moment to ensure the page fully loads before you move on so everything works smoothly. Once Gmail is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the Compose button. This is usually a colored button that stands out from the rest of the page. Click Compose to open a new email window. A small message box will appear, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll see fields for the recipient's email address, the subject line, and the main body of your message. Before adding your attachment, it's helpful to fill in at least the recipient's email and the subject line. This keeps your email organized and makes it less likely you'll forget what you were planning to send. You can also start typing your message, especially if you want to mention the attachment in the text, such as saying, "I've attached the document below for your review." Now let's add the actual file. At the bottom of the Compose window, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the paperclip icon, which represents attach files. Move your mouse over the icons until you find the one that looks like a paperclip, then click it. This will open a file browser window for your computer. In this file browser, navigate to the location where your file is saved. That might be your downloads folder, your desktop, or a specific folder you created. Take your time here to make sure you select the correct file, especially if you have several with similar names. Click once on the file you want to attach to highlight it. If your device and Gmail settings allow it, you can also select multiple files at once by holding down the appropriate key on your keyboard while clicking each file. After selecting your file, click the Open button in the file browser window. You'll be taken back to your Gmail message, and you should see the file appear at the bottom of the Compose window. There will usually be a small progress indicator showing that the file is uploading. Wait until the upload finishes. You'll know it's done when the file name appears without a loading bar or spinning icon. Before sending, quickly review your email. Check that the right files are attached, your message is clear, and the recipient and subject line are correct. When everything looks good, click the Send button, usually found in the bottom left corner of the Compose window. That's all it takes. You've successfully attached files in Gmail using Chrome, and your email along with the attachment is now on its way.